everybody, it's Miss Davio here with your Imagine Your Story Week 3 craft packet. So right now I'm going to talk to you about what you're going to find in your packet and how you're going to do the crafts inside. So the first thing that you'll see in your packet is an instruction sheet for dragon eye origami that looks like this. And there's a piece of blank paper behind this that has already been folded with one crease down the middle. You're going to have it so that that crease is up like a book, right? Just like it was a book. The first thing you're going to do is just refold that by matching point to point. Then you're going to unfold and fold it from side to side, being very careful about making sure that you're matching those points. Of course, make sure your hands are nice and clean before you start this. Next, you're going to take the bottom point and fold it up to the center. And then you're going to take the top point and then fold that down to the center as well. You're going to take the bottom and fold that up to the center. Make sure to line it up. And then take the top and fold that down to the center. Then you're going to unfold the entire piece of paper. All right. And you're going to flip it over. Now we're going to fold it back up again. Until you've folded it so that it looks like this. At this point, you're going to be able to start to color your dragon eye in the middle. I used crayons to color my dragon eye, and this is what my dragon eye looks like in the middle. You're going to want to make sure that you fill up most of that middle space right there. So I'll let you take a minute to draw that. You can put this on pause, and then after you color that in, we'll come back. All right, now you're going to fold in those flaps like that, and you can draw eyelids here, any color eyelid that you would like. Once you've colored those eyelids in, you're going to flip over your paper, and it should look like this now, and you're going to fold the points in to the back. Once you've folded your points into the back, you're then going to take these little side pieces here and fold them down, right, to make little triangles. Now your piece of paper should look like this on the back. We're going to turn it over, and it should look like this on the front. This is your dragon eye closed. Now you can gently open up these eyelids here, and if you hold on to the back of it, you can make it blink. And that is how you make a dragon eye out of a piece of paper. Next, we're going to do our dragon puppet. Here are the instructions for the dragon puppet. So you can look at these and follow these along or watch the video. You'll see in your packet that you have 2 popsicle sticks and 3 pieces of crepe paper that are 12 inches long each. You're going to set those to the side and going to color in your dragon and then carefully cut it out. Take your time and color it in with lots of bright colors. Here's the dragon that I cut and colored. The first thing that you're going to do after you've cut and colored in your dragon is fold each piece of crepe paper in half, then in half again, then in half once more. So you have this little square of crepe paper. You're then going to take your scissors, and this is the end that we folded, right? We're going to cut this direction so that we have 2 long strips. Let's unfold this and lay it out. We're going to do the same thing with the red piece. Cutting it in half so that we have 2 long strips. And the same thing with the yellow piece. Okay, we now have 6 12-inch long pieces of crepe paper. For the body of the dragon, we are going to stack 3 of these pieces of paper on top of each other. Then we are going to fold it into an accordion. We fold an accordion by going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, again and again. And then we're going to tape that on the back of the dragon's head. Oh, let me grab my tape. Okay, so now we're going to tape the dragon on the back of his head. Whoops. With this tape. Need more than one hand, I think. There we go. Okay, so now it's there. Okay, then we're going to cut or tape the other 3 pieces to the dragon's tail. Okay, so now we have some fluffy dragon body in there. We're gonna fluff those pieces out, and you can even twist it a few times. There we go. So see how that looks kind of dragony, like his body? You're gonna fluff it and crimp. There we go. So now, there. Now we're going to take these pieces and we're going to cut them in half twice so that we have fringe. And you don't have to be very fussy about the measurements of these. Let's see. And we can cut little fringes on them if you would like. I like some fringe. There we go on the dragon. Now we're gonna tape those onto the dragon's body like this. Right, so that some of it hangs off. Excellent. Now, some here. And this is kind of like his little legs almost. There. And then that piece is going to go on this end. Okay. So now that we have, whoops. Now that we have some fluffiness on the ends there, you can really see how it moves. And we're going to take popsicle sticks and take a little bit of tape and attach the popsicle sticks right on the top here. And that way, lots of tape, you can hold onto, there we go, your dragon. And then you have your own dragon that you can move around. It's especially fun on the edge of the table or behind a book because then you can't really see the popsicle sticks and it's your own dragon puppet. Now remember, you can crimp that paper and fold it in any way you like to give it that dragony way of moving. So there you have your very own Chinese dragon puppet. There will be some extra surprises in your packet, like origami paper and other activities for you to do. But I hope that you have a great time making these 2 crafts, and remember to share photos of your crafts completed. If you have any questions, you can call or email the library, and I'll be happy to help. Have a great week and enjoy your Chinese dragon activities.